Hello everyone, welcome back to Intrinsic Intelligence YouTube channel. Today we are going to look into arrays problem solving in data structures and algorithms. We see what are all the problems we could solve in arrays. Moving on. So first we will solve unique number. So unique number in an array, consider all the arrays in the numbers in the array repeated twice except the one element. The task is to identify that particular element. So here, given an array where we have elements, 7 elements, where we have 2 repeated twice, 5 repeated twice, 20 appear once, 30 repeated twice. So 20 is the integer we need to find programmatically, and the output is 20. Since 20 occurs once while other numbers are occurring twice, 20 is the result. Let me move on into the hands-on. So I have created a class solution. I have created a method find unique number. I have returned a value -1, of course, for now. And I have created a solution object, and I have created an input array where we have 1 appear twice, 2 appear twice, and then 3 appear once, and 4 appear twice. The result should print 3. And I have called the find unique number in using the solution object, and I have assigned it to result. I am printing the result. So now I have not done any logic here. So I have just returned the value -1. So when I trying to run this one, will be of course getting -1 as a result. Now we will look into the logic, like how do we solve it. So the solution for this could be an XOR operation. Let me show you how. I am creating an integer I. I am assigning it value as 0 because it is inside the method, and now we didn't get the input here. We will get an array input. So I will type the variable as input array, and I will pass this parameter array into it. Now I am trying to loop the array one by one. Now what we will do is, we have we will do this I XOR value. So what happens repeatedly, it will print the value of I. So undo the XOR operation or the value of I repeatedly. So here I have added an integer I, and I have looped the array, and I have got XOR operation for each element in the array to I, and I am returning I. So what is the expectation here? We have this input array, and we have all the elements repeated twice. 1 repeated twice, 2 repeated twice, 4 repeated twice, and 3 is appearing only once. So the result should print the value 3. Yeah, now we got the result as a value 3. So let us look into the time and the space complexity. So as we are so on the time complexity, as we are iterating the elements in the array, and then we are making an XOR operation. So we are using a for loop, and we are iterating all the elements once at least. So the time complexity is order of n. And what about space complexity? So the space complexity is order of 1. How I arrived at order of 1? Because we do not have any space. We used a variable, but programmatically, if you concern, that would not make much of a space, and we do not have any additional space. So the time complexity is order of n, and the space complexity is order of 1. This is a unique number problem in an array, and thank you all for your time and patience for watching this video. Have a very